You just landed in Paris, the city of lights, love, and croissants. But now you're staring at a ticket machine thinking, what's a Navigo Easy? Why does this one cost €5? Can I just use my phone? You're not alone. This stuff confuses almost everyone. So let me break it all down for you, simply and quickly. First, Paris transport equals ticket plus medium. Here's the basic idea. You buy a ticket, that could be a single ride, a weekly pass, even an airport transfer. Then you need a medium. That's where the ticket actually lives. It could be a plastic card or your smartphone. No medium equals no ride. Let's look at your three main options. Option 1, use your phone. This is what I used during my whole trip, and it made everything so much easier. Just download the Ile de France Mobilité app. It's free. If you have an NFC-enabled Android phone and some iPhones, you can buy tickets, load them onto your phone. Tap your phone at the metro gate. Done. It works for weekly and monthly passes, single T plus tickets, airport trips too. It's great if you're comfortable with apps. Just double check if your iPhone supports it. Not all models do. Option 2, Navigo Easy for short stays. This is the little purple plastic card you'll see everywhere. It costs just €2, and you can reload it over and over. You can put on T plus tickets, metro, bus, tram rides, day passes, Orly bus or Awassi bus airport tickets. It's perfect if you're here for 1 to 3 days and staying in central Paris, but it doesn't support weekly or monthly passes, the RERB to CDG or Orly, Versailles or Disneyland trips, and you can't share it. It's one person per card. Option 3, Navigo Découverte, unlimited travel. This one's made for tourists doing a lot of exploring. The Navigo Découverte is a personal card. It costs €5 and supports weekly or monthly unlimited travel, all metro, RER, tram, bus lines, and all zones. So yes, CDG, Orly, Versailles, Disneyland, it's all included. Best if you're in Paris for 4+ days, or planning longer trips outside central zones. You'll need a passport-sized photo to write your name on the card, and you have to buy it in person at a metro or RER station. Avoid this common mistake. Here's something most travelers don't realize. Don't mix different ticket types on the same card. So, for example, don't put a T plus ticket and a day pass on the same Navigo Easy. The system might validate the wrong one. Stick to one type of pass per card or per phone. Next, using the app. Here's how. Using the IDF Mobilités app was honestly the easiest way for me to travel around. Here's what I did. Downloaded the Ile de France Mobilité app. Created a quick free account. Tapped buy, chose a weekly pass. Loaded it onto my Android phone with NFC. Tapped my phone at the metro gate, and I was on my way. No waiting in line, no figuring out machines. Just tap and go.
No lines, no machines, no stress. Final tip, know your pass. Travel smart and enjoy Paris, stress-free like a local. Like and subscribe for no stress travel tips. See Paris like you live there. Bonjour.